everyone guys, Sahanaa here, and today we're going to Abu Dhabi. But there's a twist. We're going to go to one of its islands. I'm not sure if it has multiple islands or how much islands it has. But it's going to be exciting for me because this is the second time I'm going in my life, because I only went when I was a baby. So this is going to be an interesting video. And hit the like button if you love my new intro. Now let's start a new adventure. So guys, we are in the airport, and if you don't know what I'm using, it's a GoPro 7. And we are in the lounge right now, eating. I got a sandwich and a croissant, which I ate, and a cupcake, which I'm gonna take. So guys, I'll get as much as footage I can in the plane or anywhere. So guys, see you later. Guys, we are in duty free. There's my mom, and these are the chocolates. A camel for some reason. It's a really big place in the airport. And a Christmas decorated car. Yeah, now we're heading to go for shopping or some, I don't know, maybe also go to the gate. Going to the, for our last and final boarding call. I'll see you guys in the plane. Let's see. Now guys, we are boarding. So I don't know how many hours it's gonna be, but my mom told it was gonna be 6 hours. We're still in the same country and it takes 6 hours. I mean, the UAE is not the biggest country that I've ever been in. So this is gonna be exciting. So we are eating right now. The time. It's 9. I just kept a timer so I could see. I was a little bit late, but I'm sure it's been an hour already. And we got our food. So I'm not sure what this is. Definitely not sure what this is, but it smells good. This is definitely chicken curry, broccoli, and wet carrots. And dessert, cookies, snackies, and apple juice. This is great. So it's the next morning, and it's the second day. Yesterday I did not feel well, so I have leftover pizza now, which I'm going to eat for breakfast, because normally I eat chocolates for breakfast, but since this is an apartment and not an actual hotel, they don't keep milk here. So I need milk with chocos, and it's really important for me. So I'll shoot something interesting. Maybe today we'll do something, maybe go to the beach or go out somewhere. And I heard there's a sugarcane factory here, so I'm excited to go there. I'm not sure if we are going there, but it's gonna be a fun vlog, I think. Well, 7 more days to go. We'll see. So guys, now we're heading on to the beach, and we'll be doing some stuff. And I heard there's gonna be some bigger waves and in Dubai or in any island in the UAE that we've gone to, like in Ras Al Khaimah. So this is gonna be really exciting. Let's go. This is the whole view of the apartment and the other buildings that were over there. deeper. We are in the car and now we are going to go to the sugarcane factory. Really very excited. Roll in the time lapse. This is a sugarcane factory. It's so humongous, and I gotten mistaken. It's a sugar factory entrance. Oh, a lot of bamboo sugarcane. I'm not sure what this is. I'm sure that's sugarcane. A really big wormhole. Cool. Oh, I wish I could zoom in, but I can't.
You can.
I'm not sure how to do that actually. This is the first time recording on the GoPro. A lot of houses. And since it's winter here, a land of flowers, fallen flowers. Look at this big machine. What are things fixed inside? And yes, it is also known as a museum. Look, it's so cool. I'm pretty sure that's a boat and a lot of barrels. And I have no idea what that is. Okay. I'm pretty sure we can get close to that. A lot of things here. Number 3 is from cane to juice. Okay, now I'm pretty sure this is how from all the sugar canes becomes to the juice. Not the sugar yet. I'm not sure how this works. Okay, the grinding work. This is the sound. It's not kind of soothing. I think this is how they used to transport the sugarcane. That's cool. Oh, it includes a lot of construction to make these grinding. This is how the earlier sugarcane juice was pretty much grinded. Guys, this is the end of the museum. It was really short. You will learn a lot of chasing it with the sugar. Hi.
How is it?
It's good. This is the exit point of the sugarcane factory. These are all labeled plants, and this is the scenery outside. Now, from here, we're going to the Plumptonius Garden. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but look at this loud waterfall. It's real full. Now guys, we are in a restaurant because we decided to drop off for lunch before we go to the garden. So, I'll show you what we got to eat. This is my food. I ordered chicken and chips. I think these are the chips. That's supposed to be the chips. I don't know what, but this is chicken and this is the chips. And these are some vegetables and some cabbage. And that's Indian thali. I'm gonna see if this tastes really good because it looks good. Now we are heading to the garden, and it's right near this restaurant, which is going to be good for me.